I was talking to my mom last night and talking to her about some of the things that were going on at work here, and she said, so it sounds like you're still happy there. Kind of surprised. And it wasn't because she was surprised about me being happy at Clippard, it was because she was surprised about me being happy like at a job in general. I put a lot of investment into being an engineer and being a highly technical engineer, but I was unhappy. I was really unhappy sitting at a desk and staring at a computer and doing the same thing all day, every day. Even from the first day that I walked into work here, I definitely feel way more valued than I did at my last job. I really like that environment, that feeling like I'm a part of something that's more than just myself trying to plod along and, reach the next rung of the corporate ladder. I feel like I'm working for something that's more than myself. It's a great company to work for.